Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about integers and absolute value. So let's get started. What are the integers? An integer is a whole number but not a fractional number, can be positive, negative or zero. Assume this is our number line. In middle it is 0, right side all the positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Left side will be all negative number like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. So integers are all positive and negative number including 0. I would like to mention that integers can't be a fractional number. It's always a positive, negative or 0 means a whole number. One thing I would like to mention that from 0, when you are going towards the right, the value is increasing. For example, 2 is less than 5, or I can say 5 is greater than 2. But when you are approaching towards the left, the value is decreasing. For example, -5 is less than -2. Even though +5 is greater than 2, -5 is less than 2 because -2 is closer to 0 than -5. The number closer to 0, when it comes to negative number, closer to 0 will be much bigger than the numbers are far from 0. For example, -4 is less than -2 and -2 is less than -1 because -1 is closer to 0 compared to -2. But here in the positive numbers, we all see more we're going towards the right, the numbers are increasing. 5 is greater than 4 and 6 is greater than 5. But -5 is less than -4 and -6 is less than -5. So I want you to look at these differences, how to put the positive and negative number on a number line and how to compare between two integers. So what we learn from 0, if we go towards the right, the numbers are increasing and towards the left, the number is decreasing because towards the left are all negative numbers and towards the right, all positive numbers. Let's talk about the absolute value. The absolute value of an integer is the distance between the number and 0 on a number line. The absolute value is written as these two lines A. This is mod A. Let's talk about what is absolute value. This is our number line 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This side -1, -2, -3, -4, 5 and -6. Let's focus on the definition. The absolute value is an integer is the distance between the number and 0 on a number line. So this is 0. Think about this is number 4. So the distance between 0 to +4 is 4 units. 4 units. Now let's talk about the negative 4. Negative 4 is here. From 0 to negative 4, the distance is also 4 units. So absolute value of 4 is 4. Because this is the 4 unit, the distance between 0 and 4 is 4 unit, and absolute value of negative 4 is also 4. The same, the distance between negative 4 and 0. So distance can't be negative. So absolute value can't be negative. Absolute value of 2 is 2, and absolute value of minus 2 is also 2 because it is a distance. Let's go through this problem. Order the values from least to greatest. Absolute value of minus 34, 21, minus 17, 20, minus 11. Step 1. Let's put all this absolute value the real number. So absolute value of minus 34 is 34. Absolute value of 20 is 20. Absolute value of minus 11 is 11. So basically we have to make the order comparison between 34, 21, minus 17, 20 and 11. And we have to make it from least to greatest. So let's order from least to greatest. The least value is minus 17 because it's a negative integer. Next is positive 11, which is basically the absolute value of minus 11. Next is our 20, which is basically the absolute value of 20. Then the integer 21, and at last 34, basically which is the absolute value of minus 34. So this way we first write all the absolute values and then order all the numbers from least to greatest. Hopefully this short video is useful for you guys to understand what is an integer and absolute value. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe this channel.